Good morning, traders. Welcome back to my channel. Remember the video I dropped here? I think that will be um the last two video I dropped on this channel. The video is really going viral. So I told you guys, I explained something to you, and I picked Boom 1000. Picked Boom 1000 to explain this stuff to you, how to trade the Boom 1000 or Boom and crash market. The best way to trade the boom and crash market. Okay, I explained everything. If you've not watched the video, just go back and watch the video. It's very important you know how to do your analysis properly. Okay, so look at this. Boom 1000, I told you guys that you could go to your 4 hours time frame. When you get to your 4 hours time frame, the first thing you need to know will be what's the trend. And you look at this, very so obvious that we are in a downtrend. We are in a strong downtrend. Okay. So when we are in a downtrend like this, you know you'll be looking for selling opportunity. You don't, even if your indicator tells you to catch to catch spike on boom, right, on boom 1000, you don't dare try that. You don't try that. Okay, so I gave this thing out to the VIP guys, and they're making so much money from this trade that is running right now. So now I told you, when you do that, you see you'll be looking for selling opportunity when market is in a downtrend. But when it's in an uptrend, you're looking for buying opportunity. Now, when it's in a downtrend like as it is now, whenever market gets to an a structure, gets to an area on your chart where looks a bit obvious that market is likely to reverse, you see the market will reverse. That way, market moves easily. Even when it spikes, the spikes will be tiny spikes because the overall move is a downtrend. Okay, so even if it spikes, it will definitely go back to your entry. Look at this. This was my look at my SL. Look at my SL. Very close to my, it was very close to my SL. But you see what happened? Reversed back and started going in my direction. Okay? Started going my direction. I've given this signal to the VIP guys. It started going to my direction because it's a downtrend. So this is how to do your trading. Generally, this is how to do your trading. Let me delete everything. Hello guys. The academy starts October batch start pretty soon. So if you want to learn how to do your trading, to do what I'm doing here, please just check the description box to see my link, my Telegram link. Join the Telegram link, chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. Let's deal. Join the academy, guys. You need to learn how to do the proper trading, not catching up spikes and run out, and you're joking. At some points you get tired of it, get tired and bored, and because markets will get some money from you every day, then you close out and you stop trading completely. That is when you start saying trading is a scam. But a lot of people are buying cars, people are living fine. Trading is not a scam. Okay, it's not a scam. It works. Yesterday I gave 4 signals. Out of the 4 signals, I gave I we smashed 5 TPs. Yesterday we smashed 5 TPs. I can show you. I gave currency signal, 2 currency signals. I gave 5 signals. I gave 3 synthetic indices. VIX 10 1S. Let me show you guys. So this was the currency. We give Euro AUD and we give Euro USD. It's still running profits. The two trades are running profit. This one already has done over, you can see 130 pips. Okay, Euro AUD. Euro USD is doing about 15 pips or 20 pips thereabout. Okay, that's for currency. For synthetic indices, we gave the first thing now. We gave the yesterday. Is this yesterday? Yeah, we gave some signal yesterday. Let me see. Yesterday was 6th. So we gave boom 500. We smashed TPs. Then the Euro AUD. smashed TPs. We gave VIX10 one ace. We smashed TP1 and 2. Okay, this was yesterday, boom, 500. That we smashed TP. Then I gave again. I gave again. You can see we made over $1,000. Even the VIP guys were making money. So we gave again B1000. So I gave three synthetic indices as signals, and we made profits from the O3. We smashed about 50 piece here. No, we smashed 40 piece here. Then for currency two signals, we smashed one TP. So you can see with synthetic with indicator would have given you a chance for you to just buy. Let's say I was using indicator. I want to explain something here before I go on. Let's say I was using an indicator. Indicator will only give you an opportunity for you to sell. And once you take 5 to 10 candlesticks, you're out, and which is not enough. See, with this now, I can recover all the losses I've made, like all the losses of the entire week losses or last week losses with just this one trade. We smashed TP1, we're about to smash TP2. So that is the beauty. That is when you know how to do your analysis. No need to be afraid of the market. You just need to keep doing what you have to do, keep practicing. Someday you get to understand the market. Even my guys are doing well. Okay, sorry guys, my mic went off, so I'm using my phone without the mic right now. So my reasons for this trade, I'll show you guys everything you need to know about why I gave this signal. Now, first of all, you see this is a downtrend. Let me delete this again. It's a downtrend, and market has been selling for a very long time. And the other video, I told you guys that we had a very strong zone here, which got broken, which got broken. After this level got broken, we are now in a very strong downtrend because this was a very strong zone here that got broken, right? Then this level markets went up and retested that zone that was broken, and now it's down to this point. Again, to the left, you see that market just broke this key zone, which is here. This key zone, this key structure, this zone here. So it broke this structure. After the same thing that happened here is the same thing that is happening here. Market went down, up again to retest that zone. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, went down and up again to retest that zone, the same thing that it did here. Okay, so this is how to follow up the market. Price action is about things that has happened before, and you take note of what is happening today, and you write what is happening right now, and you use what has happened and what is happening now to determine what's going to happen in the future. Okay, so that's price action. Literally, that's price action, using what is happening now to know what's going to happen later. Okay, so now we saw market did something like this after breaking a key demand zone, went up again to retest that position, that level before dropping. So it broke another key demand zone here, which is this one. Just broke this key demand zone. Then after breaking this zone, it's going to come back to this point to retest this level. You see that? Came back to this level to retest this level. That's why I gave the sell signal. We are running good profits right now. That's simple, guys. So once it does that, you need to wait for market to come to a very obvious zone. Once it breaks a key demand or supply, you want to see market coming back to a very strong level, an obvious structure on the charts around that very swing, that's very trend. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that on the higher time frame, you see market breaking that point, you need to go down to lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame or the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is our 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, this is where the market broke out from. We had this breakout on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, we had this breakout, and you see market going back again around that zone, zone, level 2, start dropping again. So that's simple. You do this thing every time and you make money. But coming to this place now, we don't just sell around this level. There are some things you need to look out for. All my students, they are aware of this. There are some things you need to look out for to be sure that you you're making the right decision. Okay, you're making the right decision. Market's gonna sell from that zone all the way down again. So you wait for market to get back to this point, and you look for those candlestick, those ideal candlestick, those reversal candlestick, three candlestick formation and all. Once market gives you that, you're opening a position, you're selling your SL above the structure and your TP, the low, the swing low. Okay, the swing low. Because since market moves like this in waves, it will always want to go up again to create that wave. Since market moves like this is how the market moves. This is how market moves. Sorry. Let me do something. Oh gosh. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is how the market moves. Since market is moving like this, I keep doing this thing like every day. But I know nobody takes it serious. The thing, I'm just joking because it's a free video on YouTube. That's I'm not revealing it. I'm not showing anything really. But instead of to keep practicing this thing, watch this video over and over and practice what I'm doing to have good understanding. Even if you pay someone to join the person's academy, if you don't go through what you've learned before or what the person taught you before, you can never know what you're doing. You can never know what you're doing. You have to go watch it over and over, like as many time as possible. The more you watch, the more you have clarity, more better understanding. So this is how the market moves every time. Okay, market breaks a structure, breaks a key swing low, goes down, it goes up again close to the previous structure. All right, don't mind what I'm doing here. It's supposed to be something like this. All right, the previous structure. Okay, back to close to the previous zone that it broke out from. All right, so all you need to do is wait for market to break this level. This level has been broken. Okay, as long as this level is broken, this level market keeps breaking this level. That shows that the downtrend is still valid. We are still going down. The market break another downtrend, another structure here. That means we are still in a downtrend. So when it goes up again, pulls back, you're looking for an entry somewhere here to sell. And when you're selling, you don't just sell to target the low below this level, this low. You need to target the equal level, this structure, the same structure. This is your target. Why? Because markets could come back and do something like a double bottom, do something like double bottom and start going up while your target is somewhere here, somewhere below this point. Do you understand? So let's say you're sleeping and the market comes back to this level and you did not set your TP here. It will do double bottom here and start going out and take you out. So the best thing to do is to target this low, then allow market to do its stuff, break this level. Once this level is broken, then you wait for it to do a pullback and you're waiting for the pullback or the correction to be over. Then you know your onions, you know your strategy, you know when market is about to reverse again, you start selling it all over again. That's simple. So when market goes up again, after breaking, let's say after breaking this low and it goes up again, you're waiting for market to get to your breaker block, your order block, or your supply whatsoever, or your resistance zone. So I don't know how you do your stuff, but you do it. But let me tell you something. You waiting for a retest around this level will never help you. It works sometimes, but a proper pullback to give us a clear correction is the best to do, the best thing, the best decision to make. You wait for it to go up and give us a proper correction, then you know the wave has been complete. We have a complete wave, so you can start selling all the way back again, right? So that's simple. Look at this. It's exactly what I did. We have market doing this stuff, created a new low, goes up again and another low. So we are waiting for market to when market broke this other low, waited for market to go up again before dropping. So market did exactly as expected and go up and did the same thing again. So that's literally how the market moves. Look at this. This is how the market moves in waves. Okay, so now we are down here. You can see also where I place my TP. You can see my TP right there. This is my TP. Why didn't I target the low of this very structure? I put it somewhere even above the low, above the structure, so that I will be safe. Maybe probably while I'm sleeping, because I gave the signal yesterday, and probably when I'm sleeping, markets might get to this point and decide to start going up again. Then it will hit my TP before going up again. So that's it. You just need to be flexible, need to be very smart. It's just like every day life, like where you have to be very smart with your decisions. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. As simple as that. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's make more money, guys. Let's learn. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel, because the academy is open. October batch. All right, call in 1 month's time or less than 1 month's time. You'll be good. You know what to do. You make good decision in the market and start cashing out for yourself by yourself. That's all for now, guys. Bye bye.